Dry powder ball press is mainly used for non-ferrous and black metal or ball making directly into the furnace smelting, improve the added value. Dry powder ball press reduces the technical requirements of the operator and the number of workers, effectively reduces the need for manpower in the late production period, reduces production costs, and improves the market competitiveness of the enterprise in the occupation. Dry powder ball press production line has four advantages. First, high degree of initiative, reduce the intensity of work. Second, the production capacity is large, can meet the production needs of large mineral powder limited enterprises. Third, the dry powder press ball production line can achieve continuous operation and meet the needs of uninterrupted operation of enterprises. Fourth, the maintenance of the dry powder ball press is also simple and convenient so that customers can save worry and effort.